In this video, I'll show you how to make the potato and pea mixture, the dry sabji that's perfect to pair with puris or in fact sandwiches. Great for the road, super simple, and it all starts in the Instant Pot. That's where I like to steam my potatoes. Always successful, you never have to worry about a pot of water. Just peel them off, then head to a pan and heat up some olive oil or ghee. Once that's hot, add in your cumin seeds and saute until reddish brown. It'll be fragrant, and then cook off the rawness of that ginger and some green chili. Once that's smelling really nice, add in the dry spices and make sure the oil or the pan is not too hot at this point because the spices could burn. If it's too hot, add a splash of water. Add in the potatoes, add in the peas, and then just roughly start breaking them down. I like to use a potato masher and just roughly mash them into smaller chunks. Some chunks are great in this mixture. Mix it all together, season for salt, and then if you want, you can finish it with some lime juice, some cilantro, or just have it as is. And that's how easy it is to make this wonderful bowl of mildly spiced potatoes. My favorite way to have this is with the puri, which I showed you just earlier. But sandwiches are a good friend to these as well. Enjoy it. Let me know what you're gonna have it with down below, and I'll see you on the next one.